Flash, ny solarkontakt. Flash, ny solarkontakt. Pejling 358, afstand 9 kyd. Flash, torpedo! Pejling 180, under køl, 3 minutter.
Flash, torpedo i vandet fra øst, 2 sømil, manøvrer TSM.
Fredag Barbor 20.
Barbor 20.
Og Jack på broen, torpedo, den har misset os. Ophør TSM.
Fredag på styrbord.
Det er det,
ASWD, Tao, nedkæmpe ubåden med MO90.
Her er ASWD, det er modtaget, engageret med MO90.
Bloodhound loose! Pejling 128! Skud kommer!
Before land check complete. Sounds good. Kommer ind. Decks looking clean. Roger. All the way around. Very good. Er det langt nok hen? Jeg ser, det er fint nok. Du Roger nok forbi. Roger, on deck. Aircrewman post landing checklist.
Complete.
Roger.
Ja. Neuer Kurs 040.
The international flavor in every exercise is always important because we are stronger together, which is also the saying in NATO, and I completely agree with that. But we are stronger together. Each nation brings different capabilities, different skills, different levels of expertise to the table, and the more the merrier, to be honest, because the more we are, the better we are, and a more diverse group of thinkers, you could say, that are being brought together, the better solutions are being developed. In an operational perspective, the most difficult part is to balance all the different threats with the capabilities that I have at hand. And in an exercise, we will normally produce more threats than we are able to counter. So it is a bit artificial, but that is to push us to the limit, but also obviously to achieve the highest training level for all the ships.